Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming basic but critical items. Make sure your AirPods have charge and show as connected in Bluetooth. Once connected, open Control Center and slide the headphone volume. This directly controls output to your AirPods. Make sure the iPhone isn't limiting volume in setting sounds and haptics or music volume limit. If so, raise or disable it. Also ensure the media app's volume is up and not paused. These steps fix most simple volume mismatches quickly. Next, dive into audio settings that commonly affect perceived loudness. You should check settings accessibility audio/visual and confirm balance is centered. If it's skewed, you'll lose one side. Toggle mono audio off if it's on, and try enabling or disabling spatial audio because processing can change loudness. Open music or the playing app and try different EQ presets, some reduce bass or overall level. Once done, test playback again to see whether changes restored normal volume. For final remediation, reset and repair. In Bluetooth tap forget this device, then with AirPods in the case hold the setup button about 15 seconds until the light flashes amber then white and repair. Restart your iPhone and gently clean the AirPods meshes with a soft, dry brush. Debris reduces volume. If volume remains low, test the AirPods with another phone to isolate the problem. If they're still quiet, contact Apple support or arrange service. That's the key troubleshooting step if all else fails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.